Briana Marie, the cut crease queen, yeah. She got what you need, yeah. You know what I mean, Briana Marie, the go-to stylist. Treat you like a diamond. Everything is love with Briana Marie.
Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. Welcome 2023, y'all. It is 2023 and I am coming with my first makeup tutorial. This is a sponsored video featuring Nova Beauty, y'all. Definitely have to be featuring something sponsored, okay? We want the sponsored videos. But this is featuring Nova Beauty, y'all, and I have a lot from their collection. So I got sent over brushes, I got sent over another palette, some gel liners that I use as lip liners and an eyeliner, y'all. And the shadow, bomb. I want y'all to see exactly how I achieve this look, because let me tell y'all something, this shadow is everything. This lip combo is everything. The face brushes that they sent is everything. So if y'all haven't heard of Nova Beauty, please go do so and check the description right below. All their Instagram and their sites will be down below. It is Fashion Nova by Nova Beauty, if that makes sense. But yeah, if y'all like what y'all see and want to see how to achieve this look, then please keep on watching. Hey guys, you're tuning in to another video. So this is me raw. You're gonna see my camera go out of focus for a little bit, just in the beginning, but not too long. I am powdering my brows right now because I'm going to go ahead and take my Nova Beauty Slimline brow pencils, y'all, in the shade black and brown. This is my everyday brow routine. It has changed just a little bit, but not too much. However, I love the new updated eyebrow routine, and there will be a updated eyebrow routine coming soon. Like, I be trying to talk with my words, I be thinking it, then when they come out, it just don't be saying what I think. Y'all get what I'm saying. So let me try to take my time with this. So now I'm going to take the color black, and I'm going to draw a line at the top and bottom, connecting the top line to the bottom line. And then in the front of the brow, I'm going to go ahead and take the color brown. Now, what the key is, I already gel my brows up. You want to eliminate your brows because that's how you're going to get that brow-like stroke, okay? And if you don't have any hairs, just go ahead and do the same thing that I'm doing with my brows and draw it exactly how I am putting it on, okay? Because I know I have a lot of questions about, what if you don't got no brow hairs like that? What if you don't got no brow hairs at all? If you don't have any, draw it, a line at the top and the bottom, and do hairline strokes in the front. I promise you it'll turn out just the same way. Now I'm going to conceal my brows, y'all, and I'm just going to take some concealer, and I'm going to take my brush. This is a flat brush, so take a flat brush to conceal your brows with, and then I like to take a flat brush at the top of my brows, y'all. But let me tell y'all, this Nova Beauty Slimline brow pencil is the truth, and I love the black and brown combo together. It just gives it a gradient effect. But if you want to use the brown by itself, you can, but I just love the gradient brow. Now I'm taking my base, and I'm going to tap this out to get ready for the shadow. Y'all, I want to do a soft look coming into 2023. I'm like, you know what, let me do a soft look for 2023. I feel like this will be beneficial to y'all, especially on everyday looks. But you're definitely going to get snatched with this one. So I'm going to take two browns out of another palette, and I'm going to just tap that first brown shade. I don't know, I just love browns in my crease, and especially dark, warm transitions. So the first color could be really dark, and the second color has to be like really rich and like, well, not rich, but warm. And I love to go on top of it, y'all, with a dark brown. Well, going on top of the dark brown with a lighter brown. So Nova Beauty does have brushes, y'all, and let me tell y'all, these brushes are super soft. They have complexion brushes and they have eye brushes. So the brush right here I'm using is an I-05 brush, and I'm just tapping that brown right on top of that darker brown that I laid down first. And what you're going to do is basically go back into each color, and you're going to blend until you're satisfied with that blend. And the key is normally to use tapping motions, okay? Swirling is cool, but I like tapping motions. As you can see, I'm doing the tapping motion right now. I went ahead with the darker shade, and then I went right back in with that shade that I used with the Nova Beauty brush I-05. Now I want to take another brush, and I'm just going to blend out the edges of the second color that I use. I'm tapping my lids out just so I can have more room to add the star of the show. This is the Nova Beauty palette, y'all. This is the bronze palette, y'all, and look at those colors in there. But I'm gonna take this nude because I've been wanting to take this nude for the longest, and I'm taking the I-03 brush from Nova Beauty, and I'm just tapping this on that lid we created when we tapped out the base prior to putting this on. So just tap, and like I said, the brushes are really soft. This brush is really cool because you can tap and you can also blend the edges out with this brush, y'all. The color out of the palette was named Dream, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to close the edges up, and I want this ombre effect, so that's exactly what I'm doing. Taking that same brush, the I-05 brush that I used for the second shade, and I'm just tapping everything in and blending everything. I add a little bit of shimmer onto the nude, and then I'm going to add some liner, just a line straight across, blending it in and tapping it. Then I'm going to take the Smokey palette from Nova Beauty, and I'm going to fill the outer parts of that black with black out of the Smokey palette. And y'all, it just turned out amazing. This eye look was everything, okay? Everything. Now it's time to pop on some lashes, and the lashes that I had went with was just some small lashes, some 20mm lashes, and y'all, it turned out so cute. I was like, yes, this is the look for 2023. Like, we have to do this beat every time we go outside, because this look was everything. It ate. Now it's time for the face, because like I said, Nova Beauty has complexion brushes. So I'm going to moisturize my face, and here are the complexion brushes, y'all. One thing about Nova Beauty, they're gonna have you covered on everything. So y'all, go ahead and check them out because they literally have everything to do a full face with. So I'm just tapping my foundation out, y'all. When it comes to foundation, just put it on and tap. I'm not doing the method that I used to do anymore because I don't know, I feel like this way is quicker. Now I'm just trying to think of ways to get in and out the quickest way as possible to enjoy my life. Okay, so we gotta think of things quick and on your feet. Like, come on, we gotta go. We gotta go outside. So y'all, I'm just highlighting right now, and then what I want to do is I'm going to blend this out. First of all, spray always, and then blend it out. Taking my contour stick, and then I'm going to blend all of this out until everything is melted. Make sure you are blending. I cannot stress this enough. Blend. Don't just blend one side or all the sides and then just leave it unblended, because sometimes it can look unblended. Even though you think it's blended, it don't be blended. And this is my infamous nose job right here. Okay, this is how you're gonna get your nose snatched. I can't do my nose no other way. Like, it has to be a skinny nose. I can't just, like, I don't know. And my nose is already little, so it's just already gonna go. So y'all, while I'm blending, I am also going to blend out the contour, and we're just going to tap this. And I like the brush that I use, the regular foundation brush, y'all. So this is basically the method that I do when it comes to doing my foundation, y'all. This is a new updated version of 2023 foundation routine, but I will go more in depth when I come out with another video. However, I'm just blending. Now I want to take this complexion brush. It doesn't have a number on it. It's just all the brushes that has complexion on it says complexion. Okay, and I love how flat this brush is, how soft it is, and how it is melting this powder under my eye / all the highlighted areas. Okay, because baby, when I say it ate again, once again, it ate. And then once again, another complexion brush, and I actually just used loose powder, and I powdered the areas that I did not highlight. Y'all, when I say that brush was it was it. And here is another complexion brush. This is for blush, I mean not blush, this is for bronzer, because I do have another brush that's for blush. But this one is for bronzer, and I love how that brush worked. It blended everything seamlessly. Like I said, soft, and then that blend, you can see it right for your own eyes. Okay, it just blended everything. And then I did also use a brush from the set for the blush. Now I am snatching this nose once again. I do still have a little bit of powder underneath the eyes, not too much, but I am carving out the cheeks and also the sides of the nose. Y'all have to get snatched. Now it is time for the what's this? The waterline. This is Nova Beauty's gel liner in the shade ASAP. Okay, ASAP Rocky. So I just went ahead and added some brown shadow underneath on the lower lash line and added that black liner. Oh, and here's blush right here. I thought I did blush already, but this is blush, and I'm using their complexion brush. And once again, look at it. It is blending so seamless, and it fits right into those areas of my cheek. Now wiping this powder off, and also I am adding a foundation powder under my eyes to make everything blended and everything more soft. Y'all, get y'all some Nova Beauty complexion brushes and eye brushes. Site will be down in the description bar below. But y'all gotta stay tuned for this lippy. I'm using a gel liner for the lip liner. Like, when I saw on a site that they had a gel liner in brown, I was like, let me get it. Because why? Gel liners are really good for lip liners because they automatically glide on really smooth, and also they're matte. Okay, they're matte. They're not shiny or nothing like that. They're matte. So I'm going to take the shade Heaven from Nova Beauty, and I'm going to also take this gloss in the shade Period, and then I'm just going to add that on the cupid's bow. Also, I'm going to take Thick gloss from Nova Beauty, and y'all, that is the lip balm. Okay, that's the perfect 2023 new combo. I'm going to finish off the rest of my face, y'all, but don't forget to go check out Nova Beauty in the description right below. Go on their site if you want to browse. If you want to buy something, because baby, they got it all. Brows to eyes to lashes to face brushes. Y'all, go shop. And don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next tutorial. Thank you y'all so much for tuning into this tutorial. I really hope that y'all enjoyed. Happy New Year's, y'all. I'm happy. New Year's Eve was really fun yesterday. I had a blast, and I'm having a blast now because I'm doing what I love. I'm doing a tutorial, and I hope I keep this good energy throughout 2023, y'all. And I'm going to. Okay, I'm manifesting it, and we are getting out of here. But I have a lot of goals and plans that I am going to be doing this year, y'all. And let me tell y'all, I'm going to take y'all along with me. So I hope that y'all come along for the journey. New dials that are coming in, I hope y'all are interested and y'all stay with me. It's going to be a lot more to come. It's just like every year, it's like a reset, a restart, like to a new life. And I am just so excited. But y'all, enough of me rambling. I hope everybody's year is going great so far, y'all, because we are not even 24 hours in the new year. Yeah, because it's January 1st. But y'all probably won't see this until the 2nd. However, don't forget to go check out Nova Beauty in the description bar below. And until then, I'll see you guys on my next bomb tutorial.